So hello guys, today I'll be showing you some Instagram tricks that you don't know about, or if maybe knowing about. Let's see. So every one of us know how to turn off the read receipt in WhatsApp, right? Which is if we read someone's message, it will be not shown as read to the other person. Like that, we can also try it in Insta too. For that, open any chat, then click on privacy and safety option. Now disable the read receipt by tapping on it. And that's it, the work is done. Now the second trick, send any emoji to one of your friends on your Insta, then click on that emoji, you can play a game out of it. So the use of it is, for example, if you have sent an heart emoji to one of your crushes and she or he hasn't responded to you at the point, maybe ignoring you, and you are expecting a reply from them later. So what you can do is till then, click on that emoji and play a game, meanwhile waiting for the reply. I know it sounds silly, but what do you guys think about this feature? Comment down. Now the third trick, you may have observed that the followers count of some of the accounts seems to be fluctuating day by day. One day it would be 20k and the next day it would drop down to 19k. So the reason is the Instagram itself is filtering out the spam followers. So if you want to filter out your own spam follower from your account, first go to the settings and then go to the follow and invite option, and you will see filter spam followers option. It will be already disabled, but by tapping on it, it will get enabled. Now if a spam account follows you, it will be shown as a request option in your Insta account. Once you approve it, only then that account will be added in your followers list, and otherwise not. But if your followers count really matter to you, and if you really think that using this trick will reduce your follower count, then please do ignore this trick. Nowadays, everyone around the world uses Instagram in the day-to-day life, right? It's a major social media platform that everyone uses. So have you imagined how much personal data this Instagram is tracking and storing with them? But luckily, there's an option that Instagram itself provides to its users so that we can disable it. So for that, go to the settings and type off in your search tab, then click activity of meta technologies option, then search for manage future activity option. After selecting it, click on disable future activity option. Now you can use your Insta without any worries that you have regarding your data privacy. Now the fourth trick. So when you scroll Instagram Reels, there's a trick which will help you to see only those reels which is nearby your location. For that, open a reel and on the left, click on the reel branding. After that, click on nearby option. Once you enable it, wherever you go, doesn't matter, from one district to another or from one country to another, the reels will be changing according to the location you are in. Now the final trick. Some of the people will be knowing this trick. It's a common trick, but some of you may be not knowing. So which is the editing software of the Insta itself. So if you want to upload your reels or any other video, so click on that video, and like CapCut, Insta itself will provide you features like voiceovering, or you want to add any filters or add any text, or you want to do any transitioning. So to do some normal video editing works, you can use your Insta. So that's it. That's about the video today. I hope you find these tricks useful. So meet you with another one. Till then, goodbye.